Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to change WhatsApp notification sound. Firstly, go and launch the application, and then as you can see, if you're on your status side, for example on the second solution, you'll need to go on the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then you should go and search for settings, the second solution, click on it, and then you need to open the third selection that says notifications. Click on it again, and here on the first selection you have notification tone, and here it is, decide that you need to change it. For example, you can go find with your music, with your file manager, recorder, or you can download a ringtone for your ringtones on your settings side on your phone. We'll go with choosing a song, for example this one, go OK. Now get back, and guys, we have done it. We have changed our notification sound on WhatsApp. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.